welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. Here's a scenario that happens to all writers at some point in their journey. If it hasn't happened to you yet, don't worry, it will. You write an article or a blog post or a story and you run it through a grammar check tool. The tool points you to a sentence and tells you to rewrite it in active voice because passive voice is no good. And you look at the sentence and think, but I like it the way it is. And then you get all confused because your technology is telling you to change something that in your gut you really don't think you need to change. So what are the differences between active voice and passive voice, and is active voice always better? If you write a sentence in active voice, you are emphasizing someone or something that performs an action, in this case, the woman. If you write that same sentence in passive voice, you are focusing on the object of the action or on the action itself. Here the sentence emphasizes the dress. In most cases, using active voice results in writing that is clearer and more concise. Usually it is better. But in some cases, active voice doesn't make the most sense. Take this for example. This sentence focuses on the thief, whereas this sentence completely removes the thief and focuses on the act of theft. And sometimes that is what we want. So if you're trying to decide whether to use active voice or passive voice, ask yourself, do you want emphasis on the thing or person that is performing an action? Or do you want emphasis on the action or the thing the action is being done to? That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.